Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making oven-baked Peruvian style chicken. To begin, let's make a marinade. In a food processor or a blender, add in 6 cloves of garlic, followed by half a tablespoon of oregano, 1/4 of a cup of regular soy sauce, half a tablespoon of ground cumin, half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. One of the key ingredients for this recipe is yellow hot pepper paste, also known as ají amarillo. If you're unable to locate this item at your local grocery store, I will have a link in the description video down below so you can get it online. We are using 1 tablespoon of the ají amarillo paste, add in 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, the juice of 2 fresh limes, 1 teaspoon of salt, freshly ground black pepper to taste, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now blend all the ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. You may transfer the marinade into another container for easy access. For this recipe, we are using 4 pounds of quarter chicken legs, then pour most of the marinade over them and reserve a little bit for later. With clean hands, go in and rub this marinade all around the chicken. To ensure proper seasoning, lift the skin and make sure to rub the marinade underneath the skin, just like so. By applying the marinade underneath the skin, we are ensuring that we have full flavor all throughout the chicken, not just on the skin. Now cover and transfer to the fridge and let it marinate for at least 4 hours or overnight. And after the chicken has marinated for a few hours or overnight, transfer to a roasting pan. By placing the chicken on a wire rack, the heat will distribute evenly. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 220 degrees Celsius. Pour whatever juices you have left in the bowl over the chicken. You may sprinkle a little bit of salt over the skin if you like crispy, salty skin. Now bake at 425 degrees for about 55 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. And by using a ThermoPro, you don't have to guess when your chicken is ready because it will beep when it's ready. I am leaving a link in the description box down below of the ThermoPro that we're using and we love. Meanwhile, let's make the green sauce. In a food processor or a blender, add in 3 cloves of garlic, followed by 2 jalapeno peppers without the seeds, 1 tablespoon of ají amarillo paste, 1/3 of a cup of mayo, the juice of 1 fresh lime, a handful of fresh cilantro about 1 cup, a splash of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now blend until smooth. You know the drill. Once the green sauce have been processed, transfer to a container and reserve for when needed. And after 30 minutes of baking time, apply the rest of the marinade that we reserved. The ThermoPro will guarantee juicy and delicious food every single time, no dry meats anymore. The ThermoPro is flashing and the alarm is going off. That means the food is ready. By the way, this video is not sponsored by ThermoPro. They don't even know I exist. And if everything goes according to plan, your oven-baked Peruvian chicken would look like this. You may garnish with fresh cilantro and serve with the green sauce. Yo, check this out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, oven-baked Peruvian chicken. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!